What's going on, guys? Today I have brought very interesting thing for you. Everyone listens song, but you do not get paid for listening song. But today I have brought 8 websites that are gonna to pay you for just listening to songs. That's awesome. So if you are interested, then smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, you are gonna find videos on the basis of on related to making money online, related to business, related to entrepreneurship. So if you are into those things, you should go below and hit the subscribe button now so that you do not miss any videos. Okay, so now let me tell you why they are going to pay you for just listening music. Basically, whenever there is a new song, they basically they want to know what's the thing is in this song. Okay, so they wanted to know the reviews of others, so that's why they are going to pay you for the for listening songs, for paying you for listening songs. Basically, the first website that I'm going to tell you, I think that most of you are aware of this. If not, this is the Slice the Pie. This is one of the most popular site in the whole industry of get paid for listening music. Okay, basically this company is working on the same as I've told you. Just watch, listen the music, and thereafter give your feedback. How do you feel about the music? And that's it. Okay, they are going to pay you about 2 to 20 cents for every accepted review. Okay, that's the number one website. And the over here, this is the hit predictor. Basically, this is a great site. You're going to find a lots of songs over here. Okay, basically this site is paying for accepted reviews is 3 reviews is equals to $1. So this site pays better, much better than the Slice the Pie, about 3 reviews and equal to $1. Okay, so this is a really good site. And another one is the Fusion Cash. Basically, you are also going to get a $5 worth of bonus for joining this. Okay, and you just need to listen to the music, or you can also fill out the surveys by completing offers. So that means you can make the $25 easily. You just do not need to depend on the songs, because sometimes there are no songs for about a week. Sometimes it happens because we do not have control over there. Okay, so that's for the website I'm going to tell you is the Radio Loyalty. Basically, it is also the same thing over here. Okay, basically you are also gonna to make money in the same way. You can give your review, whatever you think of it. And over here there is nothing different. Yeah, you are also gonna to get points by there are certain tasks like doing some other works, like some types of surveys, but it's not every time, just sometime related to the song. Okay, so the fifth website is the Earnably. Basically, Earnably is a site where you can also do the same thing. You just need to listen to the song and just give uh, uh, your review, and thereafter you are going to get paid for it. Okay, and you can also complete the surveys over there. This is also a great site. And basically, Music X-Ray, this is also the site on which once I used to work when I do not have money. But really, I didn't get paid because I just do not want to do that. I just hate listening songs sometimes. That's why I didn't get paid. I earned about $5, but the payout was really high, about $20. So I didn't get paid because I left it in middle. Okay, so basically it is gonna do for about the rating of the song, about 10 cent per rating. This is really a great site. You are gonna find lots of songs over here. And this is the unique rewards. Basically, this is the site you are going to get a lot of tasks like survey filling, visiting websites, shopping online, and much more. Okay, and there is also captcha filling, but I'll suggest you never do captcha filling. That's basically just killing your time. Never ever do that. Basic. And the next website is the research.fm. Basically, it's the website which want your review on the songs, on the emailed surveys, and thereafter you can withdraw with the help of the Amazon gift card. And I think PayPal is there, or once there was PayPal, but I am not sure whether whether they have removed PayPal or not. Let me just see this a little. Okay, so basically these are the websites you can make money, but remember, you cannot make a good amount of money. It's just like a second time work in your idle time. That's what you should think. You should not dependent on this just to start your another online business. There are lots which you can start even if you are broke. You are gonna find a lot of videos for free on the channel, for which the gurus are charging for that about $500 to $1,000, and I am providing that for absolutely free. So just go ahead to the channel and watch our videos and just start taking action. Okay, so I really hope that this video helps you, and if it helps you, you want more money making videos, then be sure to subscribe, and after you subscribe you can also press the bell icon so you do not miss any video. Okay, so that's all from my side, and thank you for watching.